Okay, hello everybody. It's me, Mason here, and welcome back to another Trevor Henderson mod update. And also, sorry I didn't do it last time. It was just because I was still asleep. But now I'm awake, so I drank my tea and everything, so now I'm awake. Okay, so anyways, today's new monster, wait, what was his name again? I keep forgetting her name. Okay, so, today's new monster is the sister of the ever-sharpening blade. So, yeah, that's the new creature. The new creature is the sisters of the ever-sharpening blade. Okay. Hopefully I don't forget that name. Yeah, okay, so, yeah, so King of Lizards added one of the sisters. And, yeah, she could add the second one. And whenever I have to remember whenever Trevor Henderson posted it on his channel. And I really liked it. And now she's finally in Gary's mod. Okay, okay, I already got more players. Anyway, let's spawn this guy. I mean, let's spawn this lady in. Okay, okay, hello, okay, your head looks really, that looks really weird. Wait, do you have a head under there? Nope, it's just all neck. And it's under this sheet. That thing on her is supposed to be metal. Not just like a sheet. Yeah, but I really like this guy, and the model also like. Yeah, so she added one of the sisters from the sharpening blades. Yeah, so we only have the first one, which is just called the Sisters of the Ever Sharpening Blades. Oh wait, I mean, not that. I mean the Sisters of the Ever Sharpening Blade. There we go. Yeah, so I think I've been wanting her to be in Gary's mod for a long time. I'm also waiting for Watchtower to come out. So I think I figured it out when King of Lizards makes new creatures. He makes them whenever Julius doesn't make creatures. Okay, I don't know when Watchtower is gonna be made. And also, can everyone stop begging? Because I think that would make Julius happy. Okay, and also, no spoilers. Okay, let's let this guy loose. Oh, okay, that your walking is really weird. Okay, you might be one of the scariest. What is that? Is that part of your neck? Okay, I thought that was just under your sheet. Your metal sheet. Well, it's not a sheet, it's something metal on her head. So I don't think it's actually a sheet. And yes, she also has a knife. Oh, and those are interesting fingernails that she has there. I'm still trying to stay awake so I won't fall asleep again. If I did, and the video was still recording, that would make the video absolutely long if I woke up for a really long nap. I'm just hoping. I drink my tea, and I hope that works. Okay, he looks real. He looks really similar to the man with the upside down face, though. They look like they could be a lovely couple, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, so, Julius was actually going to make a Megahorn and Train Eater version too. And Megaphone. Sorry, I keep forgetting. And I think all the other creatures are gonna get updated. I think some of the giants like Sky Tentacles or something. I don't know if Sky Tentacles will be updated. But I think Sky Tentacles is not. I'm also excited for Lighthead to have an update soon. I'm just hoping he does. Oh, wait, I thought I had to spawn you in. I almost thought it was the camera. I was like, wait, why is the camera here? But it's not the camera, it's just one of the sisters from the ever sharpening blades. Okay, hey, the sister from the ever sharpening blade. So if you don't know about this place, this is where you're going to be staying for now. I really like your image, and you've actually been in Gary's mod, which I'm happy about. And I don't know what creature you're related to. It could be the man with the upside down face. I just don't know. Or it could be Kusar Sam. Let's let this guy come after me. Oh wait, what's happening? Wait, hold on, let me get rid of you. What were you doing? I didn't even see. Oh, wait, what is that? What is that weapon? Okay. Okay, you might be one of the scariest creatures. I mean, you're still my favorite. I'm also happy that you're Gary's mod, but I didn't know you were going to have different weapons. She's kind of like Kusar Sama. Sama is the cartoon sheep. Oh. He's just like those kind of people. Sorry, I had a little itch. Well, you can't get me now whenever. Wait. I was about to say that you couldn't get me whenever I was on top of your head. That works every time I do that. And also, if you don't put on ignored players, she knows that you're there, and whenever you get closer, he just hurts you. So if you get close to her, that's gonna kill you. So, yeah. So getting close to her while I have ignored players off kills you without her even moving. It's also whenever you get closer, but on ignore players, she doesn't hurt. I don't know what creature she could be related to. Let me look at some creatures just to see if she's related to one of them. Could be a creature that I forgot from the past. Probably just an old creature that I never used in a long time. Okay, where is he related to the Milk Walker? Because you know that the Milk Walker has something on his head, and she has something on his head. I mean, did I say he? I always get confused. You know something? You know how You know how the milk walker has a face under his helmet, and she doesn't have a face under the mask? It's kind of like the milk walker. You know what? She might be related to him. Okay, I don't think we can showcase all her animations. She might be, this guy could be one, I mean, this lady could be one of the best creatures I've seen today. Okay, oh god! I thought you became giant or something. I thought it looked like that she became a giant. Okay. I almost thought she'd become a giant. So this guy can teleport. I'm not a big fan of the teleporters though. But it's fine. At least it makes the creatures even better. Because I know a bunch of creatures that can teleport. Like the man with upside face, the extra slide who can kind of teleport. He just turns invisible. So it's kind of like the man with upside face, Scribblehead. What else? Oh, and Ghost Pig. And also Ghost Pig can also not teleport. Sadly, though. And Cartoon Cat can also teleport. Whenever the new Cartoon Cat came out. But now the Giants can because, you know, they're just too big. And I think I know where they came from. They came from some sort of portal that summoned them. And also, yes, we also have a new creature to the Troll's next spot, which is the Ruler. We could make her fight the Ruler, or just every single troll that we have. Same way as this pack. And yes, I've made some other Trollage packs where all the Trollage Giants are there, and the Not Giants one. And that was all I made. Yeah, so I think one of my favorite Giants is the Bolting Stars. And also, the Backroom Monster can also teleport, in case you were wondering. Oh god, I forgot to turn on ignored players. So the Backroom Monster can teleport. Surely that will cause the sister problems. Oh, who will win? Trolls or the sister from the ever sharpening blades? Who do you vote for? I'm voting for the Trolls, honestly, because he's really strong. Wait, where's her man's? Where'd the Trolls go? Wait, how's she doing? Okay, no, I think I'm good. Okay, the sister wins the battle, but will she win the fight? I don't know actually. I think he will, because he took a lot of damage to the Backroom Monster. Have you found a creature that can kill all the Trojans? I don't think he can kill all of them. More like Roach. Oh, he killed it. She killed the dastard. I mean the Backroom Monster. Okay, so now her next boat is a lone world, what I think is also going to lose. And whenever you can make him angry by hitting him a lot of times, and he becomes evil with a knife. And whenever he attacks, it looks like he's trying to scoop something from out of the ground. Oh my goodness, she killed the Alone World, and his head's come off. Okay. I think that's all the trolls that we're gonna make her fight. Okay, surely he can't defeat the strange new life form. At least I wouldn't think so. The strange new life form is one of the strongest requested creatures from Just Joking. He's one of the strongest. But the sister from Never Sharpening Blades cannot get close to the strange new life form. And yes, the sister from Never Sharpening Blades can also become invisible. I can kinda see her. Oh wait, what happened? Oh my goodness. Okay, excuse me, miss. I think you broke the strange new life form. Let me help you. I think I'm gonna have to take that as a win for, the sister from Never Sharpening Blades, because she just broke her. I mean, him. Where's she gone? What? I literally can't see her, guys. I mean, unless if she's hiding under there, she's gone. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, who was that? It's the sister from Never Sharpening Blades. She's still here. She's just walking around. Well, I couldn't find her that time, but now I did. Okay, can she kill one of the OCs? At least I wouldn't think so, because one of them are stronger. Wait, what about one of my favorite siren heads? And I think the one that is going to win, it's the traffic light head. The guy that has the most abilities, which is to shoot lasers from out of the traffic lights. Okay, hopefully no one is commenting for me to make the video, even that I am, so, yeah. Oh, the Friday Night Incident, song 2. Wait, hold on, I gotta check something out, because I need to know what song 2 sounds like. I'll be back in a minute, sorry. I just need to see how it is. Oh, it's just a song from the last video I made. Oh. Well, okay. That was just a waste of time. It's just the exact same music from the creator that's gonna make the Friday Night Incident. It's just the same song. I mean, I thought it was going to be a different song, like song 2. I mean, I already know what song 1 looks like, and I think song 1 is that. Wait, hold on, who won? Okay, I didn't pay attention, so I think the traffic light had won. If so, comment below in my community if traffic light head did win, because I know traffic light head is strong. Okay, let's spawn her back in, and her next foe is the bell ringer. Okay, we're just making her fight, we're just making her fight a lot of just joking creatures. Oh, oh. Oh my goodness, she killed the bell ringer. Okay, but also, can she kill the hexapod giant? Surely that will cause her problems. Surely that will cause her problems. The hexapod giant is really strong. Surely that will cause her problems, right? Well, where is she gone? I literally can't see her, guys. I mean, unless if she's hiding under there, she's gone. I don't even know where she is. Wait, I wasn't talking to you. Alexa thought that I was talking to her, but no, I was talking to the video. That must be my delivery. Sounds like my package. Did it came in the mail today? Oh, it came in the mail. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I got the mail, and it was my big rubber chicken. Way bigger than my other one. Okay, let me check out the scale. Oh, this one's huge! Okay, okay, I'll stop messing around with the rubber chicken and just continue making the video. Okay, so did I not pay attention again? Well, I'm guessing the hexapod giant one. Okay. Wait, hold on. I messed with the chicken again. Okay, anyways, let's just continue on with the video. I just like my rubber chicken. So now I got 2 rubber chickens. It's way bigger than the other one. I don't know when I'm gonna get another rubber chicken that's louder. I think I'm gonna get a rubber chicken that's over 2 feet tall, which is the loudest one of them all for my birthday, I think. I just don't know. Hold on. The big one does it longer. Okay, so okay, that was. Okay, sorry I was messing with the chickens. I was just testing them out. Okay, anyways, let's just go back. So her next foe is the Mega Horn, which is a siren head eater. So I think I'm gonna have to take this as a win for the Mega Horn. My money's on the Mega Horn, to be honest, because he's one of the strongest. The Mega. Oh my goodness, the Mega Horn killed her. Okay, so I'm guessing she's kind of a pacifist, I think. And also, this lady has 18,200 health. I think so. If I got it right, comment below. What about the Train Eater? What about a free updated Train Eater? Okay. What about a Train Eater? A free updated Train Eater. If you're wondering why I'm calling it that, it's because that he'll get an update for Julius's Leo Invincible pack. And also the Train Eater, if you go on a train, if it was actually him, he can kill you many horrible ways. So maybe don't go on trains just in case. Well, these monsters aren't even real, so yeah, false alarm. I'm also excited for Julius to make a Leo Invincible pack for Train Eater and Grandmother Megaphone and Mega Horn to have an update. Same way as the Wildfire Giants pack, where Hexapod Giant and the Meatball will have an update. And I'm guessing why there's going to be a version 2 of Root Head is because that someone told me that someone paid him for him to make Root Head. I'm not so sure. I love my new rubber chicken. It's way bigger than the other one. Maybe I should record a video. Okay, so this is also going to be a YouTube video. So this one I got today. Lame. And this one I got today and is one of the biggest ones. Oh my god. Okay, I'm I'm gonna set my rubber chickens right over here. I think if I get over 1,000 rubber chickens, I'm just going to make a video saying, "Look at all these chickens." You remember the meme where there was a lot of pigeons and there was a little girl saying, "Look at all those chickens." You remember that? I remembered it because I've seen a video of someone filling up a pool of rubber chickens. And I thought it was hilarious. Look at all these chickens. And whenever I saw the short, the guy just said, "Look at all these chickens." I just heard it. And the reason why I have my volume down is because it's so it doesn't ruin the video. Anyways, I don't know when I'm going to make a rubber chicken video. I've made a rubber chicken TikTok before where I put the AirPods thing where you speak and I just made it loud and then it just made a really loud noise. This one that I got could make the noise louder. And also for my birthday, I think for my birthday I'm gonna get the rubber chicken that is over 2 feet tall and is the loudest one of them all. So yeah, I could make a TikTok of that as well. But I like my new rubber chicken. Maybe he should say hi. Say hi, rubber chicken. Okay, hopefully that wasn't as loud. Anyways, enough playing with the rubber chickens. Back to the sister of the ever sharpening blades. This could be a long video, so yeah, this one could be a long video. So grab some popcorn, grab some drinks, and I'm just wanting to let you know, if you're not hungry or thirsty, you don't have to. Okay, what else can this guy fight? What about Thomas the Train? Also known as Thomas the Tank Engine. Or is it just Thomas the Train? Or Thomas? Oh, he's turned him into a cursed Thomas. What the? Wait. Oh, wait. Oh! What the? What happened to Thomas the Tank Engine? I think the sister of the ever sharpening blades teleported him to the next level. Okay, I don't know how this happened. But if you know, tell me. Okay, I don't know how this happened to you, Thomas. Okay, so I'm sorry, but as handsome as you are, bye-bye. Okay, so that was insane. I wasn't expecting her to do that. So I'm guessing I'm going to take that as a win for the sister of the ever sharpening blades. What about Jerry? Jerry, okay, okay, how's Jerry doing? How's your health? Oh, Jerry's losing. Well, I think Jerry's gonna be forgotten because Cartoon Dog will have an update. Bye, Julius. Wait. Excuse me. How are you floating if you're not even standing on the podium? Okay, this one could be magic. Okay, so oh, she's killed Jerry. How? How did she kill Jerry if Jerry was all the way down here? Okay, what about Jerry with 100 bananas? Okay, I think save money's on Jerry with 100 bananas, and yes, my brain's huge. I have a massive brain. Okay. Okay, so this guy So she's kind of a pacifist, I think, but it's fine. I still like her. She's still one of my favorite creatures. But not the camera. Okay, and also, before we randomize her bones, I was thinking about doing the thing that could make it even funnier, which is Giant. The giant sister from the Ever Sharpening Blades. Yes, I was thinking about that. Okay, now let's see what happens. What happens to Jerry with 50 bananas? Oh, she's Jerry still killed him. Did I say him? I always get confused. Okay, so what would a Trevor Henderson mod update be without breaking her What? What? Why do you got so many bones? Wait, hold on a second. Well, oh no, it's worse. Look at his fingers. Oh my god. Why does he look like an umbrella? I can do this all day. There's just so many combinations. I mean, I can do this all day. There's just so many combinations. Wait, hold on. This is also oh my goodness. Look at her neck. Oh wait. Oh, sister, no. I'm so sorry, sister, but just say we need more. Oh my goodness. Look at the state of this. Okay, okay, oh, this one could be my favorite. Okay, let's let him loose and see what happens. Oh, okay, okay, I didn't know I was expecting, but, yeah, I didn't know I was expecting. Okay. So this guy might be one of the coolest monsters we've seen today. And I felt like I kept saying this a lot of times, that this guy could be the coolest monster. And also there will be another update soon, loads of more monsters coming, and I'll see you next time. There's just a lot of things I just say. Okay, why do I say those things a lot? Is it because I talk too much? Why did I say that about myself? I just don't know why, but well, maybe if I put the camera right here, since we have one of my favorite creatures made by Trevor Henderson. Okay, and imagine if King of Lizards actually made Cartoon Mason. Would you like for King of Lizards to actually make Cartoon Mason as like an actual NPC? I would really like for King of Lizards to do that. And if he doesn't know who he is, I'll try my best to leave a link of the image. So yes, anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like on it and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you, Rubber Chicken, next time. Bye-bye.